slow. Shake a leg, jump out the bed, your hair looks really funny. Yes, CBeebies, get set, go! Are you ready? Are you ready? Get set, go! Hurry, 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 don't be slow. Eat your breakfast, drink your juice up, everything's so yummy. It's CBeebies, get set, go! It's CBeebies, get set, go! Tikkabilla, Tikkabilla, fun for you and me. Tikkabilla, Tikkabilla, watch and you will see. Things to do, people to meet. We've got the whole world at our feet. At Tikkabilla, Tikkabilla, it's a wonderful place to be.
Hello! Welcome to Tikkabilla. Today I'm wearing a chef's hat and a lovely apron because we're doing a bit of baking.
Hello, we're using modelling dough and we've got these cutters to cut out some shapes. Now we've got lots of shapes here. We've got, let's have a look. Ooh, we've got this shape. Do you know what that shape is, Tamba? A heart. Yes, that's right. It's a heart. Did you get that?
And what shape is this?
A star.
It is a star shape. Well done.
And what shape is this?
A round.
That's right. It's a circle, like the round window.
Right then. Ready to do some baking?
Yeah.
Pat a cake, baker's man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. Pat it and prick it and mark it with T. Put it in the oven for Tamba and me.
My turn to do some baking now. Pat a cake, baker's man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. Pat it and prick it and mark it with S. Put it in the oven for Simon and me.
Oh, my turn to be the baker now. Pat a cake, baker's man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. Pat it and prick it and mark it with SJ. Put it in the oven for Sarah Jane and me.
Yeah!
Delicious.
Are the cakes ready now?
Oh, not yet. We've got to bake them in our play oven first.
The windows. Maybe we'll see some real food being made through the windows. How many windows? 1, 2, 3. Round, square or arched? Which one will it be? It's the square window. Crisps. I like crisps. Crisps are made from potatoes. Lots of potatoes. But first of all, the potatoes have to be peeled. They go in a machine which has rough edges. It spins really fast and rubs off the potato skins. They come out much cleaner. This conveyor belt moves them on to the next machine to cut them. It's chopping them very thin. There are some sharp knives inside, like this one. When they come out, they look much more like crisps, and it's time for them to go in the hot oil. Janice helps to stir the crisps around so they can cook. It doesn't take very long. Now they look like crisps. Now the crisps are checked to make sure that none of them are burnt or bad. And this machine is giving the crisps their flavouring. These ones are sea salt and black pepper. And the spinning drum makes sure they're all covered. Nearly finished now. Then the conveyor belt takes the crisps away to put into their bags. In they go. And they're ready for the shops and me. Crisps are delicious, aren't they? And they're really noisy to eat.
Crisps are not the only noisy food to eat. What about raw carrot? Listen.
Oh, wow, that's really noisy.
Oh, no, no.
Don't speak with your mouth full.
And
Now, apples are very noisy and crunchy.
but one of the noisiest foods must be celery. Have you ever eaten a stick of celery? Listen.
That's very noisy. That sounds like the Tikkabilla clock. And I think there might be some noisy things in today's story.
Yes. Should we have a look? Tikkabilla, Tockabilla. Tikkabilla, tock. What's the time on the Tikkabilla clock? Well, the long hand is pointing upwards towards the number 12. Do you know what that means? That means it's something o'clock. And the short hand is pointing towards the number 2. So the clock says it's 2 o'clock. Well, what's underneath the clock? It's 3 bears in bed. Oh, lovely. Now, this book is called Peace at Last. The hour was late. Mr. Bear was tired, Mrs. Bear was tired, and Baby Bear was tired. So they all went to bed. Mrs. Bear fell asleep. Mr. Bear didn't. Mrs. Bear began to snore. Went Mrs. Bear. "Oh no," said Mr. Bear, "I can't stand this." So he got up and went to sleep in Baby Bear's room. Well, Baby Bear was not asleep either. He was lying in bed pretending to be an aeroplane. Went Baby Bear. Meow, meow. "Oh no," said Mr. Bear, "I can't stand this." So he got up and went to sleep in the living room. Tick, tock, went the living room clock. Tick, tock, tick, tock. Cuckoo, cuckoo. "Oh no," said Mr. Bear, "I can't stand this." So he went off to sleep in the kitchen. Drip, drip, went the leaky kitchen tap. Went the refrigerator. "Oh no," said Mr. Bear, "I can't stand this." So he got up and went to sleep in the garden. Well, you would not believe what noises there are in the garden at night. "Do-it-do-oo, a-doodle-oo," went the owl. "Snuffle, snuffle," went the hedgehog. "Meow," sang the cats on the wall. "Oh no," said Mr. Bear, "I can't stand this." So he went off to sleep in the car. Well, it was cold in the car and uncomfortable, but Mr. Bear was so tired that he didn't notice. He was just falling asleep when all the birds started to sing and the sun peeped in at the window. Tweet, tweet, went the birds. Shine, shine, went the sun. "Oh no," said Mr. Bear, "I can't stand this." So he got up and he went back into the house. Well, in the house, Baby Bear was fast asleep, and Mrs. Bear had turned over and wasn't snoring anymore. Mr. Bear got into bed and closed his eyes. "Peace at last," he said to himself. Brrrring, went the alarm clock. Brrr. Well, Mrs. Bear sat up and rubbed her eyes. "Good morning, dear," she said. "Did you sleep well?" "Not very well, dear," yawned Mr. Bear. "Never mind," said Mrs. Bear. "I'll bring you a nice cup of tea. La 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 la." And she did.
Ah, poor Mr. Bear, he didn't get any sleep. Now, sometimes you have to shout to be heard, and one good way of being heard is by using this. Now, this is called a loudhailer or a megaphone. And what you do is you put it to your mouth like this, and then you speak. "Hello." And as you can hear, it makes your voice much louder. Now, I think I'm going to make one of these for Tamba, and perhaps you could make one too. Now, what you need is some card, and you roll it round like an ice cream cone, like this. That's it. Just roll it round. So one end is wide, and the other end is small. And then you sticky tape that down like that. Now I'm going to decorate my megaphone or loudhailer, and I'm going to use this. Now look at that lovely feathery string, yellow feathery string. So I get some glue and I glue all the way around the top of the loudhailer, putting on lots and lots of glue, smearing it all the way around like that, there. And then stick the yellow feathers around. That's great. And now I'm going to put some sequins on. And I've got some sequins here. So just stick more and more glue around the middle of the megaphone or the loudhailer. There we go. Lots and lots and lots. And sprinkle on some sequins. Oh, sprinkle them all over. Lots of sequins. I love sparkly sequins. There we go. And now all I need to do, now that's ready there, I need to call Tamba. Tamba!
Hello.
Hello, Tamba. Look what I've made you. A loudhailer. Now, pop it in your mouth
Yeah.
and speak through it.
Thank you, Sarah Jane. Simon, can you hear me? Simon, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you loud and clear. I like being loud. Do you? I like being quiet as well. And maybe there are some loud noises and some quiet noises through one of the windows. Shall we have a look? How many windows? 1, 2, 3. Round, square, or arched? Which one will it be? It's the round window. It's always much quieter at night, isn't it? Most animals are tucked up asleep, but some are out and about. This barn owl is looking for its dinner. It flaps its wings very quietly so that nothing can hear it coming. These are voles, and they have to keep very quiet or a hungry barn owl might hear them. They come out to look for food at night too. Bats also come out at night time. And these bats have great big ears so they can hear another very quiet animal. Moths. Now you wouldn't be able to hear a moth flying, but a bat can. Bats like to eat moths, but they can't see very well, so they use those huge ears to listen out for them. Now these cats are special cats which come from a place called India, and they're called fishing cats because they like to go fishing at night. They have to be really quiet when they're fishing, or the fish will hear them coming and swim away. Got one! And when the night ends and it starts to get light, all the quiet night animals go to bed and all the noisy day animals wake up. And all the birds start to sing as it gets lighter. And lots of different birds join in the singing. And this is called the dawn chorus. All those birds were quite loud singers, but this bird is even louder. This is a superb lyrebird, and it comes from a place called Australia. It's a very clever bird because it can copy just about any noise it wants to. See if you can guess what noises it makes. Here's the first one. It's a camera. Now here's another. It's a very noisy car alarm. Last one. This one is a bit tricky though. it's someone chopping down a tree. Did you guess any of them? Isn't the lyrebird a very clever, noisy bird? But these animals are even noisier. They live in rainforests in South America. They're called howler monkeys because they howl and they howl. And they're so noisy, you can hear them miles and miles away. Howler monkeys make lots of noise to speak to other monkeys far away in the treetops. Isn't it amazing how some animals can be so very quiet, but other animals can be really noisy?
They were really noisy animals, weren't they? Oh, I know. I'll make an animal noise and see if you can guess what it is. Are you ready? Okay, Do you know what that one is?
Is it a pig?
Yes, it's a pig. Did you get that?
Okay, I've got one. What animal is this?
Do it again.
Okay.
Do you know what that is?
I think it's a horse.
Yes, is it?
It is a horse. Did you get it?
My turn.
Okay.
Is it a small animal?
Yes.
Has it got a tail and little whiskers and little ears? It's a mouse.
It's a mouse.
Very good. Oh, I've got another one. This animal comes out at night and has got very big eyes and goes... doo-woo.
Does it fly?
It does.
Is it an owl?
Yes.
Did you get that one? Oh, do
Can
you
I have
know?
another one?
Yes.
Okay. Quack, quack. Quack, quack.
Oh, I know that one. It's a duck.
Quack, quack.
You know, Bonnie, Banana and Mo are hearing some strange noises today. Let's find out, shall we?
Bonnie. Banana. And Mo. Bonnie, Banana and Mo.
I think Tamba's having a rest too, just like Bonnie. Perhaps it's because the sun is shining and Tamba's feeling cosy and warm. When the sun comes out, it shines on everyone. When the sun comes out, it shines on everyone. When the sun comes out, we all have lots of fun, 'cause the sun is part of the weather.
When the clouds appear, they cover up the sun. When the clouds appear, they cover up the sun. When the clouds appear, sunny days are gone. Oh, the clouds are part of the weather.
When the rain falls down, it tumbles from the clouds. When the rain falls down, it tumbles from the clouds. When the rain falls down, it's time to shout out loud. Oh, the rain is part of the weather.
When the thunder cracks, it echoes in the rain. When the thunder cracks, it echoes in the rain. When the thunder cracks, it rattles window panes. Oh, the thunder's part of the weather.
When the wind blows strong, the thunder runs away. When the wind blows strong, the thunder runs away. When the wind blows strong, this is what we say. Oh, the wind is part of the weather.
Then the sun comes out and shines on everyone. Then the sun comes out and shines on everyone. Then the sun comes out and we have lots of fun, 'cause the sun is part.
And the wind is part.
And the thunder is part.
And the rain is part.
And the clouds are part.
Yes, they're all a part of the weather. Well, it's time for us to go now, but Tamba, are you asleep?
Nearly. Bye.
Till next time.
Bye-bye.
Tikkabilla, Tikkabilla, fun for you and me. Tikkabilla, Tikkabilla, watch and you will see. Tikkabilla, Tikkabilla, it's a wonderful place to be. This summer, we're taking the inside out. Join us all on CBeebies this summer.
Whoa! Good morning, Get Set Goers. Are you wide awake? Good. Well, it's time to say, uh-oh, Get Set Go in Teletubbyland.